Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Today we saw the Dow trade lower, but it traded indecisively lower. As you can see, it still stayed up above the 3T line, let alone the T line, in the 34. This indicates that wave 3 of our J-hook pattern is still in progress. How do we tell if it's a profit taking versus a reversal? There's other indicators that we can look at that allow us to confirm that this was not anything that caused a major sell-off. For example, the NASDAQ actually traded positive today. So it's a pretty good indication that if one index is trading positive and the other indexes are trading negative, there is no major consensus or any major change of investor sentiment. The trend will probably continue to the upside. This tells us that there is still a good prospect that both indexes, the Dow and the NASDAQ, as well as the S&P 500, are probably still heading for the 50-day moving average. Additional information is confirmed when the big traders like Amazon are trading positive. As you can see right here at kind of this breakout level, Amazon was up 126 points today, telling you there wasn't any bearish sentiment in that trading entity. And Netflix broke out. You can pretty much draw a resistance line down through the tops. Netflix traded up $25 today, telling you that there's no bearish sentiment or investor sentiment in this market. And even Apple used the 34 as support, traded positive today. Still in an uptrend, also indicating the 50-day moving average is going to be the target. So during market conditions such as these, it allows you to identify which sectors might be adding more strength to it just based upon multiple traders in that sector acting well. As illustrated in the gold chart, gold was trading positive today along with silver. This made that sector continuing to move in its uptrend. As identified in our stocks to watch this week on YouTube, we knew that if the stock or Ego started trading positive today, it was breaking out on a fry pan bottom J-hook pattern, and you can see kind of the T-line crunch that told you they were pushing up through the moving averages. Ego traded up well. SA, another gold mining stock, if it traded positive today, doing a bobble breakout, coming out of a fry pan bottom that supported on the T-line, telling us our next target is likely the 200-day moving average. And MAG, one of the silver mining companies, also traded positive today after breaking out through the 50, making the 200 the next likely target. So basically, when we're using candlestick analysis, it's allowing us to see with a high degree of probabilities what investor sentiment is doing and where the technical levels that everybody else is watching, what type of investor sentiment are we getting at those levels to give us a high degree of probability of moving in the right direction. Moving in the right direction is the kind of the confirmation of candlestick signals. So you probably want to join us this weekend as we do our day trading training session that shows us where the confirmation of a trend will be, which puts you in a situation where you want to be trading that entity in a specific direction. So if you were day trading a stock like this, you knew there was high probabilities it was going to trade higher. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.